will share that we can create different design leather product at any time. It has becomes our experience and habit. We can create 200 pieces of leather bags in a 2 days or 3 days. Now you think how many leather products we can create in a month. We are supplying a quality of leather product to the international retail store market and domestic market. So we are willing to export different design through NDA agreement. We want to export 5 or 10 design to the wholesale market, to the retail store market. Now in our country, the government has set a fixed price for this. The wage of worker in our country are very low. We can finish it from the tannery. Then therefore we can high quality full grain buffalo leather finishing by tannery. So full grain leather is a very acceptable rate in our country. I guarantee you, I think it will be more convinced by our quality because we are very experienced people. We believe that our collection aligns well with your target market and customer preferences. So you can always buy products from us. We do not demand any perfection or any price. We invite you. That is done. We take pride in our quality. So Nurso Exporter, a reputable leather product manufacturers known for our exceptional quality and innovative design. We are eager to explore potential opportunity. Nurso Enterprise. So we have closely studied many leather company, branded identity and values. We are confident that our collection aligns well with your target market and customer preferences. Thank you very much. Bye bye.